Oh, we got some horses. Look at the horsies. Hope they're staying warm. But about to enter onto one of my favorite stretches of road of all time. Pretty local, but I don't always get to come here. And these are much less than ideal conditions. I mean, like, it looks beautiful. Oh, more horsies. It looks beautiful. The sun is out, but it's like minus 15. We had a huge snowfall a few days ago, and it hasn't had the chance to melt, but the sun is out today. So it's a combination of road conditions being snowy, slushy, and when it is clear, it's pretty wet because it's melting. But I feel like coming out and doing a drive, so I have my car on the road all year long. Might as well take it for a spin, leave traction control on, and we're gonna be safe. Safety first. Always want to have safety first and enjoy ourselves within the limit. I don't know about you, but I do like to enjoy my car in a safe manner. And that's the thing with the Mini Cooper. It is very easy to enjoy yourself within the limit with this car. Small engine, and it feels engaging. Steering feel and things like that. So this drive may not be that engaging because I'm gonna definitely take it easy. I am on snow tires, but you know, these are some back roads that are wet, snowy, combination of both. And gonna make the best of it. Just gonna come for a spin, talk about the car. Driving feel and the driving experience is awesome in the Mini. If you are familiar with Mini Coopers, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Or if you like small cars in general, you'd know what it's like in a small car. Yes, it can be rough. It can be a bit testy at times, bumps, wind. The wind can blow the car, and you'll feel it. It's not as planted as, like, you know, some of these big, like, you know, Yukon SUVs and things like that that weigh tons, but the trade-off is for the agility of the car and maneuverability within turns, within traffic. It is very confidence inspiring to know exactly where your front corners are, where your wheels are, and where you can fit this thing. I find it super confidence inspiring. When it's small car, good visibility lines, can see everything. I can reach over and touch the door, open the door. Not that I need to all the time, but it's just how compact this car is. And look at all the headroom. Like, there's no shortage of space. This tunnel area is super low, so it doesn't feel cramped. Not like new cars where the shifter's like all the way up here and it's like a big tunnel. Not like that at all. And yes, this is an automatic, and I'd be using that Tiptronic for those automatic shifties, which I absolutely enjoy, and it suits me. So yeah, hold some gears every now and then, downshift, come to a stop, do some engine braking, and then kick it in drive when I don't feel like doing any of that and just want to cruise or pull off from a light. It is convenient for me. I like it. Daily or not daily, I like it and I enjoy it. The manual transmission is pretty cool. Maybe I'm just not good at it enough. But I found I can, like, do exactly what I want, how I want it in this car, in this fashion, with the automatic. Shift my gears when I feel, keep it in sport mode. So once over is in sport mode, and then you can go up and down from there. No paddlies on the steering wheel. So you kind of do have to do that with your right hand on the gear shifter if you want to. And everything in this car, you can feel it. You can feel, even when it's in automatic and I'm not shifting, you can feel the shifts. When you let off the throttle, you can feel the transmission engage, disengage. The steering feel, you can feel everything in the road. You can feel what the tires are doing. It's not disconnected to say if it starts to slip, you might not notice it. You definitely notice it, and you know exactly where and when it's going to slip. What I like about snow is that the threshold for slipping is very low. So you don't have to get too fast or go too crazy to experience some maneuverability with your car in the snow specifically. Number station. And even less so in the rain. The rain, it's less than dry conditions. So in the wet you can move around, but in the snow, absolutely, you can go 20 kilometers and get some slips and movement in there. You get to feel the weight distribution of the car, how it reacts on turns, throttle, and it gives you an idea of how the car moves under turns, under throttle, in a turn. So I do like the snow and things for that. This car handles incredibly well. There's zero understeer, I might dare to say. It is very much point and shoot. Point and shoot. And the engine is like right over the front axle and on top of it, so it's the weight is right over there, and if the car does slip around a turn, it's like pivoting over that front axle. It feels incredible. Let's go down here, see what this is like. So yeah, the car pivots, no understeer, and it pivots point and shoot, and if it does slip, it's going to slip around that front axle and do some oversteer. And if you have traction control off, you keep giving it, and it's like drifting, I guess. I guess you could call it that in a front-wheel drive car. But obviously you want to do that stuff in a parking lot, somewhere safe, to get a feel for these things. And because it is a lighter car, the threshold for slipping is low. You don't have to do crazy speeds to get the tires to move around for the car, the body, the weight. And yeah, 1.6 non-turbo is the way I went, and I found this to be enough power that it's I can rev out 3 gears and not go to jail and still be within the speed limit. And I find that a fun aspect of the car is to actually use the engine. The S model definitely has got some serious boost, and it kicks in like over 3,000 RPMs, which is an interesting spot to be in when you're revving it out or you're on the highway in 6th gear, and then you give it some juice and this thing just like comes on. It's a bit much for me. The power delivery is different. It's a lot of power from that 4-banger turbo in the S models, but I find the 1.6 non-turbo to be quite sufficient. Very sufficient. So yeah, we're on some snow. We're gonna take it easy and explore a bit. We're gonna go back down that road. Turn around at some point, head back out, go down that road, and see what it's like. This is almost like a ski hill. There's definitely not a lot of people coming here this time of year. And if they're going hiking, I guess some people could go hiking in this weather, get their snowshoes going on. All the trees are dead. I usually come here to ride my mountain bike. Didn't do too much of that last year, so that'll be something for me to keep up with. Yeah, and I can hook my bike rack up on this car and absolutely go anywhere with it. This car is pretty solid for daily use. I absolutely enjoy it, like it. Is it treacherous in there? It is. So we will do a little turning around. Some people are kind of there for their snowshoes. Definitely got that going on. And it may look sunny, but it is freezing as hell out here. Oh, they got a snow bike. Sick.